Welcome to Gadget Solution. Verizon router setup. Connect the Cox cable from the Cox port on your router to a Cox outlet. Connect the Ethernet cable from your router's WAN port to an Ethernet outlet. Connect the power cord from the router to an electrical outlet. Router will take up to 10 minutes to power up completely. Move on when the front light is solid white. Connect your devices using wired connection. Connect the Ethernet cable to any yellow LAN port on your router. Connect the other end to your computer. Connect your devices using Wi-Fi connection. Get the Wi-Fi name and password off the label on your router. On your device, choose your Wi-Fi name when it appears. Enter the Wi-Fi password exactly as it appears on your router label. Wi-Fi network. The Fios router has one Wi-Fi name supporting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz signals. The self-organizing network (SON) feature lets your devices move between the two signals automatically for an optimized Wi-Fi connection. Complete activation. Activate your router by opening a web browser on your computer and following the prompts. Thanks for watching.